Hello students, welcome again in our chapter 5, Derivative and Continuity. Students, today I am going to our remaining questions to exercise 5.6. Find out dy by dx in the question number 7. X is equal to given sin cube t by root cos 2t and y is equal to cos cube t by root cos 2t and asking dy by dx. Students, this question is very most IMP for exam level. It is a 4 marks question, either 5 marks question according to our model papers. So I start here first of all respect to t, one by one derivative. So differentiation with respect to t. Very slowly I going, students. It is a very big numerical. So here dx by dt, here d by dt of our full value sin cube t upon under root cos 2t. Okay, and start now derivative. So it is dx by dt same. Here derivative known, denominator d dx of numerator. I mean d by dt of sin cube t minus numerator d by dt of denominator and upon denominator square is as it is. Students, I just apply here division rule. So what is dx by dt? It is root cos 2t same, and here derivative to 3 sin square t, sin derivative cos t respect to t minus here also sin cube t. First of all root derivative 1 by 2 times under root cos 2t. You know students, what is the root x derivative? 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root. Next cos t derivative minus sin 2t into 2 and upon is as it is full value. These are same to our cos 2t because root and square is removed. Students, here 2 is also removed. And I take out to simple our LCM. So what you get dx by dt? Yes, this LCM. Root cos 2t multiply here. So root cos 2t into root cos 2t. Yes, root cos 2t into root cos 2t. It is cos twice t. Other same. 3 sin square t into cos t and this minus students finally plus. So plus sin cube t into sin 2t upon what is your LCM? Root cos 2t. LCM here multiply. So under root cos 2t into cos 2t same as. One more time explain. This root cos 2t multiply root cos 2t, it gets only cos 2t. 3 sin square t cos t same, and here sin cube t sin 2t minus plus same is. Now students, you take out the common. Yes, what is the common in dx by dt? Yes, common is a sin square and sin cube t. It is sin square t. Next cos t, common here available. Yes, sin 2t formula you known. So first of all students, I just write down one more step for you. Cos 2t, 3 sin square t cos t plus sin cube t. This step I forwarded sin 2t. It is 2 sin t cos t upon same as. What is upon same as? Cos 2t. It is a root and half. Total 1 and half. It is 3 by 2. Now take out to finally common dx by dt. How much? Yes, it is sin square t common. Next, it is cos t common. And remaining are as it is. So here sin square t already take outside. Cos t take outside. Remaining only 3 into cos 2t. And plus, here students, 2 remaining. Cos t already you take outside. Here sin cube t and sin means sin raised to 4. Sin square take outside. Only sin square t you have to. And upon as it is. What is as it is? Cos 2t raised to 3 by 2. Here taking statement 1. and here x derivative dx by dt is done. Now I start y. What is y function? Cos cube t by under root cos 2t. Here also start differentiation with respect to t. So dy by dt. Here d by dt of our data cos cube t upon students under root cos 2t. It's very easy, but it's very lengthy. Now same applications to apply our derivative to time t versus. So utilize your division rule, students, and easily done your answers to apply for your division rule here. So your values is a dy by dt in denominator, d by dt of numerator cos cube t minus, now denominator, I mean numerator, d by dt of under root cos 2t and upon in denominator square, so cos 2t square. Again repeat, denominator first, d by dt of numerator minus numerator d by dt of numerator. So finally what you getting dy by dt? Root cos 2t same as, here start the derivative, 3 cos square t, cos derivative minus sin t, similarly here minus cos cube t, and what is the root cos t derivative? Root function 1 by 2 times of root, yes, into, now cos 2t derivative minus sin 2t into 2, because two functions here, students, this 2 and this 2 gone, and upon cos 2t same as, because square and root remove. So finally you getting dy by dt is a LCM, students. Check, root cos 2t multiply with this root cos 2t, so it is only cos 2t into 3 cos square t into sin t, minus carry forward outside, and here minus and this minus, it is plus, already getting cos cube t. And what is the sin 2t data? 2 sin t cos t upon LCM this cos 2t into under root cos 2t. One more time repeat, students, it is not easy. 2 and 2 cancel, root cos 2t multiply here because taking a LCM, and here also multiply, and sin 2t formula I write down this one, 2 sin t cos t. Now finally this 2 gone, and this formula 2 sin t cos t. What the common now? Students, in the both common function I taking, yes, cos square t here, here cos raised to 4t, so cos square t common. Other sin t, yes, common. Remaining are, these are remaining, minus 3 cos 2t, cos square t done, sin t done outside, and here plus 2 remaining. Sin t already take outside, cos total 4, I taking the square, so cos square t as it is, and upon how much cos 2t? Yes, it is 3 by 2, and here taking statement number 2. Now students, finally 1 and 2 I utilize, and I get this one equation and this getting two equations, and finally utilize our answer dy by dx is your last step. So I start now ending these steps to dy by dx one by one. So after this ending, students, I just show now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. This dy by dt is statement 2, students, and dy by dx by dt is statement 1. So my finally done, students, answer dy by dx is this value already known, I cos square t into sin t into minus 3 cos 2t plus 2 cos square t upon cos 2t raised to 3 by 2. These are upper value upon this lower value I write down. So sin square t into cos t into 3 cos 2t plus 2 sin square t upon same as cos 2t raised to 3 by 2. Students, here very carefully I apply one by one both cases. Now please further calculate. It's very easily your answer is getting to after cutting some datas. So now students, these are cancelled. Cos 2t raised to 3 by 2, cos 2t raised to 3 by 2. Here also cancel, 1 the sine and 1 the cos. Only you have to remaining dy by dx. Here only 1 cos t remaining. Other are minus 3 cos 2t plus 2 cos square t upon downwards also sin t remaining. Other are 3 cos 2t plus 2 sin square t. So now students, this cos t I multiply inside, but cos 2t translate into purely cos formula. Sin t also multiply inside, but cos 2t translate purely sin data. So dy by dx. After that getting cos t. Yes, students, just remember cos 2t formula in terms of cos. Yes, it is known 2 cos square t minus 1, and here same as 2 cos square t upon. Similarly here sin t formula I just operate in purely sine functions. 1 minus 2 sin square t and 2 sin square t is as it is. Now students, our almost numerical is done here because it is telling to one of the trigonometric formula, and that's our ending this sum happily. After that further calculations. So what you get? Dy by dx. Here just multiply inside cos t same minus 6 cos square t minus minus plus 3 plus 2 cos square t upon. Here also students is downwards. Sin t same 3 minus 6 sin square t plus 2 sin square t. Yes, finally done. Dy by dx. Cos t into some datas, and here sin t into some data. This sum data is your trigonometric identity. Check. Here 3, 6 cos square and plus 2 cos square, it is a minus 4 cos square t. And here also 3 minus 4 sin square t. And this both I multiply to inside. Students, this cos multiply inside, this sin also multiply inside. Dy by dx is a 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t upon 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. Yes, this is the formula. But here you check minus common carry outside. 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t. And downwards is known. Yes, it is sin 3t. This also known. Cos 3t by sin 3t. So what is the answer? Minus 1 into cot 3t. And that's my answer. Dy by dx is finally done here, students. And here you are ending this sum. So one major part I explained, dx by dt. After that major part I explained dy by dt. And both are applying dy by dx, dy by dt upon dx by dt. Value putting, further calculation, and these are the IMP steps for converting to like terms in cos and like term in sin, and that is your identity. Then you get minus 1 into cot 3t. This cot 3t is your student sin cos 3t by sin 3t. It is cot 3t, and here ending our these sums. Now students, one more questions are interesting coming. It is also very most IMP sum. for x given and here y given and asking dy by dx, and second order also asking in exam d square y by dx square. So here I start first of all differentiation with respect to t. So what you get, dx by dt? Yes, dx by dt is very easily coming here. First of all, a outside, d by dt to cos t plus log of tan t by 2. So what is the answer, dx by dt? A as it is, cos t derivative minus sin t. Now here first log derivative, after that tan derivative, after that t by 2. So log derivative 1 upon tan t by 2. Now tan derivative sec square t by 2 and t by 2 is half. Yes, now I going to easily our converting into sin and cos. So dx by dt, a into minus sin t same. Here I apply sin t by 2 upon cos t by 2. So further I apply upper sides. Remaining here 1 minus cos square t by 2 and into half is same as. Now look at that, cos t and cos t gone. Only you have to, students, dx by dt, a into minus sin t, and your remaining are 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2, and that I know it is sin t. So dx by dt, finally students, you getting just minus sin t and here only sin t. Now check out two simplifications for according to our LCM. So here simplification is easily done, students. So what you get, dx by dt, after taking LCM, a as it is and other is a, this sin c and sin c are multiply. So minus sin square t plus 1 upon sin t. So what is 1 minus sin square t? Yes, it is cos square t. It is identity. So dx by dt, students, finally I getting here 1 minus sin square t cos square t upon sin t, and here you are done data number 1. Now I start, students, for the y. So it's very easy. Y is a sin t. Apply derivative respect to t. So d by dt of our sin t only. Yes, and what is the sin t derivative? It is cos t. Statement 2. So finally I going to now final target, my first target, dy by dx, dy by dt upon dx by dt, and both value 1 by 1 you put down. So dy by dt is your a into cos t, and upon what is dx by dt? A into cos square t upon sin t is as it is. Yes, students, here you getting a and a cancel. 1 cos and cos also cancel after arranging, and you get the final value for your sums over that. So what is the remaining? dy by dx is the remaining parts. This cancel, cos and cos square cancel, but 1 cos remaining and sin moving upper side. So here my answer is sin t by cos t. It is how much? Tan t. Here textbook numerical done, students. But now I further calculate for second derivative differentiation with respect to now x for second order derivative, d by dx of d by dx. Here tan t and here dy by dx. So d square y by dx square, that called y2. Students, it is called y1. Huh? First order derivative is a y1 and second order derivative is called y2. Now here second order derivative, first tan derivative. What is tan derivative? Sec square t. And t derivative dt by dx. Students, this dt by dx already you calculate here. It is dx by dt. So here sec square t same. And this value I apply sin t upper side and a into cos square t downside. So this cos square t. reciprocal for sec. So it is a sec raised to 4 into sin t by a. That's my answer, d square y by dx square. Either you taking y2, and students, here our ending this sum. It's very easy sum. These are extra. In textbook asking only up to dy by dx. It is a y1 derivative. But you calculate till up to second order derivative, because in next exercise it is asking for second order derivative. And in exam also this numerical asking by 2 ordering derivative. Now students, one more numerical. I going to slowly. Ninth one. X is equal to a sec theta and y is equal to b tan theta, and asking that first order derivative dy by dx and second order derivative d square y by dx square. So same apply, differentiation with respect to here theta taking, because theta is here one of the variable. So dx by d theta, it is a outside, d by d theta of sec theta. Yes. Now what is the derivative of sec theta? It is sec theta into tan theta. Our first part is done here. Same as students, I move ahead, dy by d theta. So b carry forward outside, d by d theta of tan theta. So what is the derivative of tan theta? Yes, dy by d theta is same. Tan theta is your derivative sec square theta. The second part is also done. Now textbook question is easily done. Dy by dx. What is dy by dx? One of the dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Both value known. B sec square theta upon a sec into tan. Yes students, dy by d theta I putting and dx by d theta putting. Here 1 sec theta is gone. Only remaining b sec theta upon a tan theta. But students, you translate now into simplest form. So what you get, y1 dy by dx, which is 1 upon cos theta, and here sin upon cos theta. Finally this cos and this cos gone. Either you rearrange b into 1 by cos theta. Here a into sin theta same, and cos theta upper side going, because numerator, denominator and numerator. So these are cancelled. Only you getting b by a 1 by sin, which is cosec theta. And here your answer done, this dy by dx. Students, this is your textbook question done here. But now this also further I explain to second order derivative. In exam also asking second order derivative. So differentiation with respect to always, students, second order derivative always respect to x. So what you get, d by dx of, here dy by dx, and here b by a constant, make outside, d by dx of our cosec theta. Now cosec theta derivative known, and theta derivative respect to x is also known. So here d square y by dx square, b by a. Yes, try to answer. Cosec theta derivative minus cosec into cot, and theta derivative respect to x is remaining d theta by dx. Students, this value already you defined here, and that I apply here. So d square y by dx square. These are extra part, students. Minus cosec into cot into d theta by dx is this one. Into it is 1 upon, write down, 1 upon a into sec into chain. And here I further calculate. Then you get the final answer. Second order derivative. It's very easy, students. But lengthy numericals. Today all numericals are lengthy students. I hope you understood very well. So d square y by dx square, which is minus b by a. Other value I just translating into simplest form. Cosec theta into cot theta and into 1 upon a sec theta into tan theta. So finally you getting d square y by dx square, which is minus b by a square. What is the cosec? 1 by sine, here cos by sine, into this one. Yes, 1 by cos is a, indirectly it is a cos theta by 1. Here tan theta, sine by cos, it means cos by sine. It is 1 upon a, students. So finally check what you get. Final answer minus b by a square, cos cos cos, cos cube, sine sine sine, sine cube, and this value known. So y2 is over d square y by dx square, students. Your answer minus b by a square, which is cot cube theta, and this cot cube theta up to our answer is happily done, students. Here I ending this numericals, and here also this numerical also, students, 4 marks question, either 3 marks according to our model paper. Now one more, students, question number 10. It is IMP questions. X is equal to a cos theta plus theta sin theta, and y is equal to a sin theta minus theta cos theta. Find out first order and second order derivative. Here also same starting, students, one by one. Differentiation with respect to theta for this one and this one also. So what you get, dx by d theta, a constant, d by d theta of our data cos theta plus theta into sin theta. So dx by d theta, students, I getting only, yes, what is cos theta derivative? Minus sin theta, and here applying product rule. First, second derivative, d by d theta of sin theta plus second, first derivative, and value applying to that dx by d theta, a into minus sin theta. Sin theta derivative is a cos theta, and here sin theta, theta derivative respect to theta is 1, this cancel. So only and only dx by d theta is, students, what to value? A into theta into cos theta. That's our first value is derived. Okay. Same as, students, I going to dy by d theta. Here dy by d theta is a into d by d theta of sin minus theta into cos theta. So here also apply, students, our product rule. So dy by d theta is a same, and here apply to same functions to one by one derivative. Sin theta derivative is a cos theta minus, so apply in the curly brackets. First, second derivative. Now second, first derivative. Okay. Now both function derivative is done. So dy by d theta is a finally a as it is cos theta, and here theta. Now what is cos theta derivative? Minus sin theta. And cos theta, theta derivative respect to theta, it is 1. And after that expanding, you getting dy by d theta, a into cos, here minus minus plus theta into sin theta, and plus cos theta is as it is. So this cos and this cos you easily gone, because minus minus plus, and here minus plus minus, sorry, my mistakes, this cancel now, cos and cos. Only you have to dy by d theta is a into theta into sin theta, that you getting step number 2. So after ending, students, our dx by d theta and dy by d theta, now I both merge and getting to dy by dx, our final target to first target. Yes, students, my first target is easily I apply after that to derivation of dx by d theta and dy by d theta. So final dy by dx, it is dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? A theta sin theta. and dx by d theta is that one, a theta cos theta. This cancel. So only I have dy by dx. Sin by cos, it is tan theta. Yes students, here our textbook question is done. But now I further calculate to second order derivative. It is called first order derivative y1. So now I go to extra. Second order derivative, differentiation with respect to now x. In the second order derivative, I utilize this one, dx by d theta. Yes students. So here derivative is done. It is y2 d by dx of dy by dx. That also d by dx of tan theta. So your answer is d square y by dx square. Here derivative first of all tan function, after that theta function respect to x. So what is tan derivative? It is sec square theta, and theta derivative respect to x, it is d theta by dx. And d theta by dx already known here. I put it there, and that value I just utilize. So d square y by dx square, sec square theta same. What is second first order derivative dx by d theta? 1 by a theta cos theta. So my answer is over. This cos I multiply that, it is sec raised to 3. Because sec square and it is 1 by cos is sec upon a theta. This answer is over that. That's you calling that y2. And students, here ending our this question also. Now I going to next one, our question number, continue to 11th one. Now one more numerical students, after ending these questions, 11th one. X given under root a sin inverse t and y given under root a cos inverse t, and show that dy by dx minus y by x. And these are extra asking second order derivative d square y by dx square. Students, here base same. So I direct apply one of the value x into y. Both of you product taking. So here under root a into sin inverse t. So students, a here sin inverse t into a cos inverse t. Base same, definitely power it is additions. So you getting students x into y, a raised to sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. And it is how many? 90. So x into y, here a raised to pi by 2. And that is your constant functions. Derivative definitely 0. So now I start differentiation with respect to x. Directly x, because t is already removed there. So no parametric form. So d by dx of x into y. Here d by dx of our data under root a raised to pi by 2. And that is 0. Here apply first, second derivative. Now second, first derivative. And your constant derivative is how many? Yes, constant derivative is 0. Now you just find out your dy by dx. So x into dy by dx plus y into 1. Definitely you getting x into dy by dx, which is minus y. So what the getting dy by dx? Minus y by x. Here your textbook question proofing is done. But now I also further explanation to second order. So here I start extra differentiation with respect to students x, because I want to second order derivative. So here d by dx, dy by dx. Similarly minus d by dx, which is y by x. So I done just d square y by dx square. Here minus, here operate division rule. X dy by dx minus y ddx of x upon x square. Students, I hope you know our division rule. Denominator square, denominator numerator derivative minus numerator denominator derivative. So d square y by dx square. It is finally done. Here x, this dy by dx already known, I minus y by x. Y, x derivative respect to x is 1, and x square is same. So this x and this x done. Cancellations. What you get? D square y by dx square is a minus. Here minus y by x square. And how much it is a minus minus plus 2y by x square. And this answer, students, for your y2. Y2 is indicate what? Second order derivative. This minus y, it is minus 2y. And minus minus also 2y. And students, here our end this question number 11. And this exercise 5.6 also students done here. So I further explanation I explain you in the next part. Bye bye. See you.